Standard 2nd, Maths, Chapter number 12, Money. I continue from adding and subtracting rupees and paise. We add and subtract money as we add and subtract number. 100 paise makes 1 rupee. So we can carry over or borrow a rupees as per requirement. Okay. So example is given to rupees 25.25 plus rupees 5.50 paisa. So 25 rupees it is given and 25 paisa. So we will write upside rupees sign and P for paisa. So it is 25 rupees and 25 paisa, and rupees 5 means 5 we will write here. So you have to remember that it come in straight, and 50 paisa. So we will write here 50. So 5 plus 0 is equals to 5 and 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. 5 plus 5 10, 2 plus 1 3. Otherwise 25 plus 5 you will get 30, direct answer. Okay. Now second number rupees 25 and rupees 10.50 paisa. So first we have written 25 rupees, paisa is not there, so exactly 0 means 25 rupees is there exactly, and downside minus, so we have done sign, and 10 rupees 50 paisa. So we have written 10 rupees and 50 paisa. Now 0 minus 50 means here nothing it is there and here 50 it is given. So what we will do, we will take borrow from here from rupees. So from 25 we will do 1 borrow, so we will get 24, and that 1 we have to keep here, means 1 means 1 rupees. So 1 rupees is equals to 100 paisa. So that we have to cancel this 0 0, and here we have to write 100. So now 100 minus 50 if we will do, then we will get 50, and 24 minus 10 we will do, then we will get 10. Now I will show you exercise 3. Solve the following. Rupee sign is given, paisa sign is given. So 50 rupees and 50 paisa plus 25 rupees 25 paisa. Okay. So 50 plus 25 we will do, then we will get 75. And if you want to do 0 plus 5 we will get 0, and 5 plus 2 we will get 7. Then after we have to put dot. Why? Because it represents paisa. Okay. And dot before whatever it is coming, it is called rupees. So 0 plus 5 it will come 5, and 5 plus 2 7. So 75.75 paisa. Number 2, 75 and 50 paisa. 75 rupees and 50 paisa minus 35 rupees and 50 paisa. So 0 as it is, 5 minus 5 0. Then we have to put dot. 5 minus 5 0, and 7 minus 3 we will get 4. So 40 rupees we will get the answer. Rupee sign, paisa sign, here plus sign it is shown, so we have to do addition. So 90 rupees is given and 45.50 paisa is given. So here it will 0 plus 0 is equals to 0, 0 plus 5 it will remain 5. Then we have to put dot. 0 plus 5 as it is 5, and 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 means 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have written here 1, 3, 13. Number 4, rupees paisa is given 65 and 0 0, and 35 rupees and 20 paisa. So from 0 we are not able to cut 20, right? So we have take 1 borrow from, we have borrow from 65, means 60, from 65 we will give 1 to here. Okay. So we have kept 1 here, and these 2 0 we have to keep upside, means it will become 100, means 100 means 1 rupees. Okay. Now 100 minus 20 we will do, then we will get 80 paisa, and 64 minus 35 we will do, then we will get 4 minus 5. 64 minus 35 you have to do. So you will get the answer 29. So 64 minus 35. So 4 minus 5 is not possible. You don't have to do here. You have to do rough work and directly you have to write answer. Okay. So 64 minus 35 you will get 29. So 4 minus 5 is not possible. So we have to take borrow from 6. So we will give 1 here, and these go upside 4. And from 6 we have given 1 here. So it will remain 5. Okay. Now 14 minus 5. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what will come? 9. And 5 minus 3 you will get 2. So 29. Okay. So in this way we get 29. So 29.80. Now 5 number 84 rupees 50 paisa, 48 rupees 25 paisa. Now 50 minus 25 paisa if you will do, then you will plus it is there. So 50 plus 25 you will do, then you will get 75. Okay, 0 plus 5 5 and 5 plus 2 7, so you will get 75. We have to put dot because it shows paisa. Now 4 plus 8 12, so we have put carry 1 and downside 2. Okay, you have to write in the straight line, don't write here and there. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 4 if you will do, then you will get 13. 9 after 4, 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so answer will come 132 rupees 75 paisa. Now 6 number, 77 rupees 40 paisa minus 42 rupees and 60 paisa. Now 40 minus 60 is not possible, so we have to take borrow from here. Okay, so 77 minus 1 we will do, then we will get 76 here. Okay, and from here we will give 1 here, so 140. Now we will cut from 140 minus 60, then we will get 80. Afterwards we have to put dot because it represents paisa. Now 76 minus 42 if you will do, then you will get answer 34. So here exercise 3 completed, and next exercise I will show you in the next video. Till that you have to complete this exercise 3. I hope that you understand all.